Sir,
Good evening, everyone.
good evening, sir.
Children, I asked you to turn on your camera. I just asked 4 children to join at 5:10, right? So I don't see anyone like has joined. Where were you guys?
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I've joined,
I
sir,
hadn't
but then
class
it
to
said
start,
that
so I hadn't started the
sir.
class.
No, actually, it was like I'm not. I don't. I didn't see anyone. Like I joined. Someone was host. I was not the host. I joined the session. It was like session was conducted by someone. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, 1 second, children. I think everyone is joining, and I would like to know individually. I would like to know like what was your issue, why did you get less marks? So I just posted 4 guys' names, right? 4 children names. So I need to know what is the issue with you all. Like 4 children: Aditya, Taruni, Mohit, Pranav. Yes, Taruni, you start with you. Like what was the problem? Why did you score less?
Sir, I got confused, sir, that's why.
What can I mean? Confusion means like where your problem is. What is the problem where you are not understanding? You just feel free to learn, no problem. We'll try to clear your doubts so that we can clear everything and you can learn. Okay, so feel free to tell. If you don't know anything, we'll teach you again. సో అంతేకాని సార్ ఏదో అనుకుంటాడు, సార్ ఏదో మళ్ళీ బ్యాడ్ అట్లా ఏం లేదు. సో నీకు ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ టు టెల్ మీ. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం, కమ్ ఆన్.
Sir, I just got confused in Heron's formula, sir.
ఓకే, Heron's formula. Okay. Yes, what else? 1 second. Yes. Now, can you hear me, children? Can you please, yes, ask your doubts and what was the issue? I would like to ask the, lower performance. Like, many of you got like less marks, right? Few of you. Like Taruni, Pranav,
Yes, sir.
Aditya. Yes, tell me what was the issue better with you? Like, I should see everyone, the people, whoever the name I just, mentioned in
Sir, I mainly had a problem with roots.
Everyone,
Because
please,
the side
everyone,
where-
1 second. Everyone turn on your cameras. Everyone should turn on your camera so that I could see who is talking again. Yes, everyone, please turn on your cameras. Everyone. Shreyan, you sit at one place and just listen to the class. You can't roam here and there. Shreyan.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Shreyan, you sit at one place. You can't roam here and there and
Sir,
listen.
but the class was at 5:30, you told me.
5:30, but for the 4 children alone, for Taruni, Pranav, I just asked them to join. Like I just asked them to 5 o'clock, but there was a power issue with me, so I just asked them to join like 5:10. But I just was inside, but no was like they have joined with someone. Some technical issue happened. I didn't find anything over there. No problem. Okay, just Taruni told that she had a problem with the Heron's formula, but Taruni, I should not see you that in the lower of the rank list. You should be in the top 5 in the next exam. Let's see. Let us take it as a challenge. Let us crack it together. Let us make it happen. All the best. All right, beta.
Okay, sir.
Understand? Are you sure? Will you make?
Yes.
Will you get the top 5?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to take it as a challenge?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You should take it as a challenge. Very good. Yes. Aditya, tell me what was your problem? Any doubts
Sir.
on the question paper, Saruni? We'll discuss the question paper today. No problem. Yes, Aditya.
Sir,
Tell me.
I had a problem with the roots, sir. When the side was given at the roots, I couldn't solve it.
Roots, you had a problem. No problem. We'll discuss it.
No, sir, have you declared?
Please, 1 second. Aditya is talking, right? No one should interrupt.
Sir, have you declared the paper on topper?
Yes, I just created the paper and topper, and we have just announced the results as well.
Sir, I could not see my mistakes actually.
Mistakes we couldn't see. No
Sir,
problem. We'll discuss
I
the
to check, sir. I sent to Rahul sir also, sir. He didn't. He told anyway, sir will send their ranks now. Why to see again? He told.
No
Yes,
problem.
sir.
No
Yes,
problem.
sir,
Look at this here.
the
Yeah, look at this.
answer script is not uploaded. The
Yes,
answer.
sir. I
One
actually.
second.
And where we had gone wrong, etc., etc.
One second. Look at this. We'll discuss the question paper. We'll discuss your mistakes. And one more thing, I request you all turn on your cameras. I should not say same thing again and again. Even Rahul sir also, like even Manoj sir also posted the same same message to everyone that everyone should turn on your cameras. You cannot sit simply without turning on your cameras. I won't accept that. Akshit, Nitya, Pranav, Harini, Kavya, Aditi. Nitya, Sri Kruti is different and Nitya is different. Two Nityas are there? Who is Nitya?
No, sir, I'm both.
You are the both.
Actually changed my number, sir.
Okay. You changed your number so that you have two numbers in the Google, Vice app.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Nitya Srikriti is me.
Nitya, who is Nitya?
Nitya was my previous account.
Okay, your previous account. No problem. Okay. So everyone turn on your cameras. Yes, Aditya and Pranav, are you here, Pranav? Tell me, Pranav, what was the issue with you, Pranav? I think, yeah, I'm sure Pranav will, bounce back. And, everyone, like, who got like less than 80%, they'll bounce back. I'm sure. I have supremely confident about their performance. Isn't it? Pranav, Taruni, Aditya, and who was that? One more child. Will you able to perform good in the next class?
Yes,
The
sir.
next exam? Are you sure? We will, right? We will make it. And Mohit is joining now. Yes, 1 second. See, I just asked you guys to join Mohit. Yes, Taruni has joined, saying that she has joined. Mohit, I asked you to join at 5:10. Mohit, turn on your camera. Mohit Vaibhav. Everyone should turn on your camera. Aditi. And if you're not turning on your camera, guys, like I won't understand whether you are listening.
My camera is on.
I can't see you. Some like blurry, like some blurry images are visible over there. I don't see you. That's why. Yes, Mohit.
Sir, are you speaking now? Because I couldn't hear you before.
I can hear you. Turn on your camera first. And tell me,
yes.
I just asked you to join at 5:10, right?
Sorry, sir. I'm not getting a message, sir.
Sir, the class wasn't even started at 5:10.
No, not for like for 4 children, Taruni, and like I started somewhat earlier to these children. I don't see like many of you. Not for everyone, guys. For the children who got less than 80%, not for you, Parth. I'm seeing first time to Parth Ahuja. I'm seeing just first time your face.
Sir, also, yeah, one second. Just type it out in chat.
No problem. You can speak. You have a complete right to speak here. Nothing wrong in speaking in the class. Okay. So, and children, look at this here. What was the issue? And those who got less marks, those who background noise, no problem. Ahuja. So look at this here. Those who got less marks, like how many of you felt the question paper? How was the question paper? Tell me. How was the question paper?
Somewhat tough and somewhat
But I don't know
easy.
where did I lose my marks.
Sorry?
That the question paper was easy, but I didn't know where did I lose my marks.
I didn't get you. One member should talk. Yes.
The math be?
Yes.
So, tuition paper was easy, sir, but I don't know where did I lose my marks.
Let us see 1 second.
And so now, like after discussion,
Sir, it is saying
The
old
results are
to.
not declared yet. It's saying
Yes, sir. It was
Yes,
saying
sir,
results
it's
are not
not
declared.
Yes, sir.
I didn't understand where I lost marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, results has been declared. I downloaded your results. I posted your results. I think you might have gone through your results. You know your marks now, but you do not know your mistakes.
yes, sir.
no, sir. Like in the topper website for us, it's showing result status
Not
as
declared.
Yeah, there might be some technical issue, like we are nowadays we are completely relying upon complete like online sessions and online stuff. So sometimes like after all, like sometimes machines also will not work. So completely we are relying upon some machines. So sometimes there might be technical issue in the machines as well, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes or no? There might happen. So then technical issue might happen. No problem. So 1 second. Everyone turn. Yes.
So what about quizzes? I've prepared the quiz, sir.
Yes. Okay. We'll discuss the question paper. Fatapat. Then we'll go for that. The first question. Can you look at the first question? How many have you done the first question? Any doubts in the first question? Any doubts in the first question? An isosceles right angle has area this much, then length of its hypotenuse is what? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. So we can find very easily. Root 32 is the answer. How many have you done this?
Yeah, I got it.
Very good.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Very good. I think very easy. Very easy. Next, look at this. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 60. Then the area is what?
Ma'am, then.
How many have you got this? This is also a very simple question. How many have you done with this? Come on. You must say the answer. You must respond.
Sir.
You must respond to this question.
Sir, can I ask something? Sir, if we miss the test, so we can write it afterward.
No, you can't write. No, there will be a time limit to attempt your test. So you cannot attempt whenever you want. It is not like. Sorry?
There is an option to attend the test, sir.
So that is what the reason. Look at this, morning 10 to night 10 o'clock. So you can attempt within 12 hours. I request you all to finish before 5 o'clock in the evening. So Sunday evening 5 o'clock before or on or before you must finish. So that it will be good. Yes.
Sir, root 3 into 60 square divided by 4.
What is the answer?
Sir, D. 100.
D is 100. So 100 we are getting up. Very simple. We have discussed the formula. Very simple. Very good, Sujay beta. So next question. The sides of the triangle. The sides of the triangle is this. So अरे भाई कितना simple है. How many have you done this answer?
So me.
Sir, Mohit.
How many have you done with this?
So I did this 3 times because I had a lot of calculation issues.
Yes, calculation is a big calculation. You can see the calculation now. How he has solved. He has given hint as well. Look at this.
Yeah, sir. Sir, you gave formula, no, sir. It is easy to do.
Yes, sir.
Formula, if you are good at calculation, it is very easy. Yes, Aditya, you are able to understand. Aditya, you must talk in a class, Aditya.
Yes,
Sir, I have a doubt.
So I got it correct.
Very good, beta.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
In this question, the 1344 centimeter square question. So they ask semi-perimeter. What if they ask the perimeter, sir? What do we do then?
Perimeter, no, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, right? That is semi-perimeter.
Yes, sir.
Semi-perimeter means simply you should take A plus B plus C. Semi-perimeter means sum of all sides. That's all.
Okay.
Semi-perimeter means by 2. Half of
Okay.
them.
This formula will be same, right, sir? Root of S into
that
S.
formula will be same. That formula will be
Okay,
same.
sir.
No changes at all. So this formula will be using when we have semi-perimeter. You understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Perimeter means simply A plus B plus C. Okay. Yes. So next question. The area of an equilateral triangle with the side 2 root 3.
Sir, we put 2 root 3 this side
Very
and 3
simple.
S
Look at
square.
it. It's 5.196. So no, look at this. I'll tell you how to solve this. Look at this quickly. Zero 91708.
Sir, Strayan has raised his hand.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no, nothing, sir. Nothing. Like before, sir.
Root 3 by 4 into what was that? 2 root 3 square. Look at this here. Root 3 by 4 into 2 square is 4 into 3. So 4 will get cancelled. What would I get? What would I get? Look at this here. 3 root 3 I'll get. 3 into root 3 value 1.732. 3 value is 1.732. So 1.732 means what? Just multiply that. You will get. Look at this. 3 into 1.732. So 1.732 means you just consider this as like 17. 17 is 51. I know that 51. So 5.1 above 5. Answer will be somewhere 5, around 5. So possible option is only option A. That's how you can calculate it quickly. You understand? You understand my point? So option A is look at this here. 3 into 1.732, right? So here 1.7 into 3 means 1.7 into 3 how much beta? 5.1, right? So our answer will be around 5 something like that. So the
Yes,
possible
sir.
option is only A. So quickly, so option A, B, C is of course option B, C is not at all possible. Only the possible option is A. That is correct. Clear? I hope it is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Next, fifth one, the length of the each side of an equilateral triangle have an area. Array, simple, same formula, same calculation.
So, but in that one, we have to put the value of 9 into root 3. That's it, right?
Direct will get there
Okay,
will not
sir.
be a big calculation. Yes.
Yes, I got it.
The area of equilateral triangle is this. Perimeter of the triangle is what? Perimeter. Equilateral triangle perimeter is what? Tell me. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? See here. How many? What is area here? Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square, right? So look at this here, root 3 by 4 into side square given. So side square is equal to 64. I got side is equal to 8. So 3 perimeter is what? Look at this here. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Look at this. Let me share the screen.
3A.
Equilateral triangle means I must add all the sides. Look at this here. Equilateral triangle means, for suppose this is my equilateral triangle. A. All sides will be equal here. All sides will be equal, right? A.
Yes, sir.
So A. So perimeter of equilateral angle is what? A plus A plus A, which
Yes,
means
sir.
3A. 3A, right? So A
Yes,
value, how
sir.
much I got? 8. So 24, something like that, your answer. 24 centimeters is your answer. So option B is correct. Very simple. Next, the sides of equilateral triangle is given. Array, simple. Why? Look at this. Sides of equilateral triangle 35, 54, 61 respectively. The length of longest altitude. How to find it out? How many have you done this?
Sir, did it?
35, 50, 35, 54, 64, right?
Yes, sir.
So A, B, C. This is 35, 54, 61. He's asking for AD. This is my D.
No, sir, he's asking for the longest altitude.
He's asking for what?
Longest altitude,
This is 54.
which can be like
Look at this here. The sides of a triangle, this one. The length of longest altitude. Altitude means we have to find height.
Yes, sir.
How can you find it out? Tell me. By using, look at it. This is 54 means this will be what? 27?
So if we find the base and we know the area, then we can find it.
We can find it out, this height. AD you can find it out by using Pythagoras theorem. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now 35 square is equal to base square, 27 square plus AD square. So AD square is equal to, so 35 square minus 27 square. 35 square is what? Calculate.
1225.
1225. 27 square is what? 27 into 27. Calculate it. 25 square is 625. 27 square is with mind
Sir,
calculation.
729.
729.
729, yes. So 1225 minus. So how much? 496. So AD is equal to square root of 496. So square root of 496 is what?
I think
Look at this, square root of 496. So look at this
So
here.
4 root 31. 4 into root 31.
So this can be written as what? Look at this here. You can simply write.
So we can write it as 2 root, what do we say it?
2 into
2 into 2,
8.
24, 240. 246 of 8, so that is?
1, 2, 4. 248.
Okay.
So now 4 into
124.
so 2 into, or else you write 4 into 41.
Sir, we can, okay.
4 into, sorry, 4 into 4 into 41.
4 root 41. So that is final answer, no, sir. 4 root 40. But they give 24 root 10.
Is that the right calculation? Guys, how many have you done this question correctly?
Sir, it is not 41, sir. It is 31, sir. 4 into 31 is equal to 124.
Sorry, which one?
For this question, it's not 4 into 4 into 41, sir. It's 4 into 4 into 31, sir. Because 12 is 3 and
Okay,
4 is
31. Okay, 31.
Sir, but also 4 root 31, no, sir. They give
1
2
second.
root 30.
Instead
Yes,
of
sir, still.
instead of doing all this, so he's asking for longest altitude, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
isn't
Can we
the
use
longest side of it
half
supposed
into,
to
look
be-
at this, height by using this formula, half into base into height formula?
Yes, sir. That's what I was telling. One, if we
Yeah.
find the area and we
Very
find.
simple. Yeah, very good option. That is also option. We are getting somewhat big calculation here. So instead of doing that, we can just simply do
So
that.
actually, but I tried it, but it was very that method was a bit more difficult.
So look at the ABC given, right? So S value is what, none? A plus B plus C by 2. What is semi-perimeter? A plus. What is A plus B plus here? 35, 54. How much? 89 plus 61. 150. So 75. S value is 75. How many of you understood this? Guys, S value is 75 here. So it is like, I have all different areas, right? I have all different sides here. So I can use Heron's formula here. Yes or no? I can use
Yes, sir.
Heron's formula. So now look at this here. Area is equal to what? Square root of, let me write directly. So 75 into 75 minus 35. So 75 minus 54, 75 minus 61. So find it out. 75 into 40, 16, 21. So 40. This is what I got. So 15 into 5, 5 into 8, 7 into 3, 7 into 2. Can I write like this? Look at this now.
So it's 1607.17.
So here 15 can be written as 5 into 3 again. So look at this here. 2 5s.
So it's 1607.17.
2 3s I have, 2 7s I have.
2 5.
3 5s I have here.
You can look for 1 time.
So 5 into 2 into 4. Or else you do one thing. 75 can be written as what? 15 into 5. This can be written as 5 into 8. 7 into 3. 7 into 2. Okay. Again, look at this here. 8 can be written as what? 2 into 4. 15 can be written as what? 5 into 3. So 5, 5, 2 5s. So 5 square. And 2 3s. So 3 square. 2 7s. So 7 square. Into 2 2s. So 2 square. Again, 4 can be written as 2 square.
So is it 939.14?
And I just left with what? Again, root 5. So here 5 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 2, root 5. Okay, 5 3 is 15, 105. 15 7 is 105, 105 into 4, 420, root 5. 420 root 5. This is my area. Is that clear with everyone? Yes or no?
Sir, we can't do further.
Yes, sir.
Look at let it be. No, we can do further. If you if you write root 5 value 2.25 something, you can substitute and you can do that. No need of doing all that stuff. Why? Because my options are given like this. My options are given in terms of root 5, something like that. So option D is of course not possible. Somewhere ABC only possible. Look at this now. So half into base into height. This is what area of the triangle. So area how much I got here? Area how much I got? 420 root 5 is equal half into base how much given?
64, I think, sir.
Huh?
64, I think, sir.
No, it's
No, base value. 64.
61 or 64, sir.
Second value, no,
61,
54.
I think.
54.
54, yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir. So the second value is always the base.
You can take 420 root
Sir,
into 54 by 54.
so
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes, Sujay. Tell me.
So the second value given is always the base.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this here. Now, how can I do this? 2 ones are 2 27s are 27 ones are 27. I think we have taken A value is wrong somewhere. Base given what? Look at this. Arey bhai,
So
base.
isn't the base supposed to be 61 rather than 54?
Yes, if it's 61, if it is 61, height is
No,
what?
sir. Sir, shouldn't it be like 35 because that's the shortest? So if the height is short, then the other two sides are like longer than it, so altitude will be longer.
Yeah, so that is the concept. That is also that's how we can do it. So by
So
61,
directly we can go for 35 instead of
directly
65.
we can go for 35. Look at this. If you do 65, I'm just telling you the possibilities. With the 30, with 54 is not coming. 64 also we won't be getting. 2 ones are 2 not possible at all. 61 will not go in a second table, so it's a odd. So now if I take 35 here in place of base, what is the concept behind taking 35? So h is equal to 420 root 5 into 2 divided by 35. So 7 5s are 7 60s are 5 1s are 5 12s are. So h is equal to 24 root 5 is my answer. It is clear with everyone? Yes, correct. So why? Because why short test? Look at this. If I take short test base, if I take short test base, that would be like easy for the. That would be easy for me to like getting the answer. Look at this. If I take 54, no, my options at all not at all matching here. If you take 35, what is the reason behind that taking 35? Tell me. He's asking about longest altitude. Tell me. You understand my point?
Yes, sir. If the smallest means if the number is smaller, then other two sides will be greater.
Sorry, if a number is smaller.
No, if one angle is smaller, I mean one side of a triangle is smaller, then the other two will be greater than it.
Yes, of course. One side is equal to sum of like one side of a triangle is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Yes. Piyush was saying something. Piyush, why did you take 35 base as?
So that's what so I was saying, like the other two sides are like longer, right?
Yeah, other two sides are longer. Look at it is somewhere 54,
So, like
61.
if you
So this is
think
35.
logically, yes, sir. So shouldn't that 61 side be 35? Like if you are because it looks longer, right? Yeah.
No, it is 35. Yes, base is 61. Okay.
No, sir. I'm taking base as 35 because, like, sir, if you think logically, then wouldn't like the other two sides, which are longer, be resulting in a longer altitude than the other sides? Because if you take the longest one, then it will result in the shortest altitude.
Sorry.
So, like 35 is the base, right?
Yeah.
If you are taking 54 and 61, like if you are taking 35 as base, then 54 and 61 are longer than 35, right, sir?
Of course.
54 and then like, sir, if we add them both, then that sum is greater than 54 and
yeah, that is
35.
concept. That is why that is like concept. Like if I add these two, Sum will be greater than, if you add anything, sum will
Yes,
be
sir.
greater than the other side.
Yes, sir, I know, sir. So,
Hmm.
like, if you take that concept, then 54 and 35, and then 35 and 61, and 54 and 61. If we
Yeah.
add all three of them,
Okay.
then 54 and 61 will be the greatest, right, sir?
Yeah.
Then like, since we both the total length.
Yeah,
of
you can just like, think like that. If you are not understanding in that way, guys, look at this. Now, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here, that is the concept. Look at this here. If you take any two cases, look at the 54 and 35, 35 and 61, and 61 and 54. If you take any two sides, some of the two sides will be greater than the other side. Of course, that is there. Now, if you're not understanding in that way, guys, if you take 54, none of the answers are matching. That is for sure. You can just verify trial and error method also you can do. If you do trial and error method, then of course you will be able to understand why we are taking 35 is a base. Is that clear?
No, sir. What I meant to say is, like, if we take the sum of two sides of any two sides, then 54 and 61 sum will be greatest of them all.
That is what I'm telling you. Yes, 54 and 61 will be sum of their greater than sum of their, whatever the size you take. That's what I'm telling you.
Yes, sir. Since they both are greatest, then if we are taking base as 35, we'll get the longest altitude. That's what I'm saying.
If you take shorter, if you take a shorter base, you will get longest altitude. You meant to say that one?
Yes, sir. That's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, if you take a shorter base, it will get longer. Common sense wise, look at this here. Look at this. You just practically think it here. If you have shortest, look at this is mine. 1 second. Look at this here. If I have long base, I'll be getting shorter height. If I have short, I can just extend long, right? How many of you understood this? Look at this, guys. Simple. अरे हमने देखो अगर बड़ा if you are having बड़ा base, your height will be छोटू. If you have छोटू base, your height will be more. You can have, see, if you have more base itself, your height will be somewhat are like, common sense. You understand? Shorter base, longer height. Longer base, shorter height. As much. Longer
Yes,
base,
sir.
shorter
Yes,
height.
sir.
The common sense. You can just use like that kind of common. You can use that concept and you can just come up with that idea. Actually.
Yes, I just wanted to prove that thing, sir.
Yeah, that is what. Okay. So look at that. The area of an isosceles triangle having base 2 centimeters and high length of one of equal side is 4 centimeters is what? Area of an isosceles triangle having base 2 centimeters and length of one of the equal sides 4. What is the area? Both base given, length given. What is the area? What is the formula?
Half into base into height.
Huh? Half into base into height. He's talking about isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, I will be having two
So
sides
root
to
of
be.
s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c.
Okay, if you
Yes,
do
scalene triangle.
That is Heron's formula.
That is scalene triangle, not isosceles.
no, he's talking about isosceles triangle having base 2 centimeters, length of one equal side is 4. So two sides will be 4, and third side will be 2.
Sir, root
2 centimeters.
So what is S here? You can apply by using that. Tell me what is the answer. Yes, Taruni, tell me.
Sir, I was just saying the area of the isosceles triangle.
What was that?
Sir, root square 4a square minus b square.
You can take that one also. How many have you done by using that formula? How many have you done
So
with
which
that
one, sir?
area of an isosceles triangle formula? Taruni, tell me how did you do that? By using formula called square root of b
Square root of 4a square minus b square.
4a square minus of b square minus 4a square, or 4a square minus b square. Yeah, correct. By using that, how many have you done that? What is a and what is b here? A is you take a is 2 and b is 4. Yeah, you can do by using that method. Yes, Toshni Katel.
Sir, is A as the equal side and B is the base?
You can take anything. You can take A as 4 and B as 2, or B as A as 2 and B as 4. Like why? Because like upper two sides will be equal, right? In isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. If I take
So it will be 1/4 into b into root of 4
so
square
this is
minus b
4,
square,
this is
right?
4, base is given 2 da. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C. So here AB is equal to AC. So if I use by using scalar that formula, like Heron's formula, I'll be getting 5. Yes as 5, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So square root of 5 into 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, and 5 minus 2. So square root of 1 into 3, square root of 15. How simple it is. By using the formula whichever told that, square root of 4a square minus b square. Here, how many have you solved by using this Heron's formula? Very simple. Straight away you can get the answer. Square root of 15. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
You can do by using that method. If you don't remember the formula which I told, see here, don't remember the formula. You can solve by using Heron's formula itself. That would be easy for you. Next.
So what about this formula? 1/4 into b into root of 4a square minus b square. When do we use that one?
Look at this. Tell me what is the
1/4 into b into root of 4a square minus b square.
Or you can say that b by 4. Mean like 4a square minus b square. Look at this here. My b is, let us take and 4 given, 4 by 4, 4 minus 4 into 2 square minus 4 square. So 1 into square root of 4 into 4 minus 16, you are getting 0 here. That is for, guys, look at this, that is for area of an isosceles triangle. Now look at this, what is the difference here? When do we?
So when do we use it?
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
See here, I am telling you that whenever isosceles triangle given, you can use that.
Okay, sir. So we can use that and directly get it.
Okay. Where is that one? See, guys, every like equilateral triangle for everyone. For suppose 1 second. अरे भाई कहाँ है? Can you guys, can you see whatever I'm writing here?
No, sir.
Array, can you see whatever I'm writing here? I'm writing something. Yeah,
Yes,
now.
yeah, now we
Now
can
okay.
see.
Yeah. See here. This is A, this is B, this is C. A, B. Let us say that. This is my isosceles triangle. So what is the perimeter here? 2A plus B. All right. What is the altitude? What is the height here? If I ask you to altitude, square root of A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Look at this here. You have, look at this here. You have multiple formulas, Sujay. So by using base and height, you have a formula called half into base into height. Okay, by using all three sides. If you have all three sides, you can use this formula. Area is equal B, like you can use this formula called B. Array, 1 second. Half into square root of A square minus B square by 4 into B. This is a formula for if you have three sides. Okay. If I have simply like area for isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle. I can use area is equal to half into A square. So these are different formulas which is not required for your standard. So, but depends. But simply I would suggest you to solve by using Heron's formula itself. So on different conditions, we have to use different formulas. So this is like not up to your standard. So these are the base. Whenever I have base and height, I can use this. Whenever I have all three sets, I can use this. Whenever I have isosceles right angle triangle, I can use this. Yes, Tosnika.
I just have a doubt, sir. When we're solving these kind of problems, like to find the area of triangles and all, and
see here,
especially
this
when
is.
you don't give what
I
kind of a triangle it is. Yeah.
Your voice is. I'm like I can't hear you properly. Your voice is resounding.
So now is it clear?
Yes. Here A is what? A is like length of two equal sides. Here A is length of two equal sides. B is base. B is base and length. Length of equal sides. A is length of equal side. B is base. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
A is what? Length of equal side. B is what? Base. Length. I mean length. Base. Is that clear? Yes. Yes, Toshnika, you can ask your doubt now.
Sir, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Talk loudly, please.
Fine. Sir, I'm asking, when there's a question wherein they do not specify the kind of triangle it is, and they only give the measurements, then how to identify which formula to use? Like they give 3 measurements, we may use the hypotenuse, or we have to use this Heron's formula. So how can you just identify?
Yes, look at this here. Here, look at the question. Here I have all 3 different sides.
Yes.
All right, all 3 different sides. Where is that? Yes. Here, look at this. I have all 3 different sides. Whenever you have 3 different sides, you can use that. That is the number 1 case. And in that case, in this case, look at this. There is that. In this case, please 1 second. In this case, he is talking about isosceles triangle. Base 2 given and sides given. Here also you can use isosceles triangle.
Specify that it is an isosceles triangle. In the previous question, it was only given the measurement. Now see, sir, in the question 9, the edges of the triangle they only give the measurement. And now,
which means
hypotenuse, right?
Yes, which means hypotenuse not required here. Which means what? Which means there is a scalene triangle. For scalene triangle, you can use an Heron's formula. For isosceles also you can use the formula. Is that clear?
Okay, sir, but how do I identify that this is a scalene? Okay, if I might go up with Pythagorean triplet, and then I just use the.
I can't hear your voice properly. See, whatever I'm trying, what I'm saying here, if you have scalene triangle, you can use Heron's. If you have isosceles triangles also, you can use that. 1 second, where is it? Yeah. So scalene triangles, in the previous question I had scalene. Here I am having isosceles triangle. I could use the formula. If you have equilateral triangle, can we use? Let us say that. Look at this.
So not equilateral triangle. You can also take it as a right angle triangle, right? Pythagorean triplet.
Of course, you can look at this. Why not? Look at this. You have look at right angle triangle. A, B, C. Let us say AB is given 2 centimeters, B is given like 4 centimeters, and he's asking he's like 6 centimeters given. He's asking us to find area of hypotenuse, like area of right angle triangle. What is area of right angle triangle? Simply I can use the formula. He said that right angle at B. So I took right angle at B, and area of 12. S is equal to what now? So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So you can.
We need to use the Pythagorean theorem.
For finding one of the sides, beta. That is for finding one of the sides. Pythagoras theorem is AB square plus here is C, right? BC square is equal to AC square. For finding one of the sides, you can use Pythagoras theorem, not for finding area. Is that clear? For finding, if you do not know any one of the side, if they have given, look at this here. If you do not know here AC, let us say AC is X here. So I do not know AC. So I can find it out AC here. Look at this. So 4 square. So AB is what here? 2 square plus 4 square is equal to AC square. So AC square is equal to what? 4 plus 16. AC is equal
1 by 2 into BH. That one also you can use, right? When the right angle triangle.
Of course you can use for finding that no base. You can find, of course, for finding area. Look at this here. Look at this here. 4 plus, so how much? Root 20, right? Root 20 is my hypotenuse now. Root 20. So root 20 can be written as what? 2 root 5. So or else you can simply write 2 root 5. 2 root 5 is my hypotenuse now. By using area is equal to half into base into height. So for suppose area is asking us to find half into. What is height here? 2. What is base here? 4. 2. So area is what? 4 centimeters square. This is how you can find it out. Sorry?
So sir, will it be the same answer when you use Heron's formula and also the 1 by 2 into BH formula also? The measurements given?
You should look at this. Look at this here. So area is equal. What is S was 6, right? Yes, what is S here? So if I find out, like if I have, look at this, S is what here? What is S value? what is semi-perimeter? Tell me. 2 root 5 plus 2 plus 4. So S is equal to 6 plus 2 root 5 by 2. So take 2 common, 3 plus 2 root 5 by 2. So S value is what? 3 plus root 5. So my calculation will become, somewhat contradiction here. Look at the calculation, not contradiction, calculation will become somewhat big. So 3 plus root 5 here. 3 plus root 5, right? 3 plus root 5 means that is my S value.
Yeah, okay.
3 plus root 5 into 3 plus root 5 minus side A. What is side A here? 2 minus 4 minus 2 root 5. This is how we can do it basically. Is that clear? So A is equal to, you can just do that 3 plus root 5. But calculation will become very big, very, very big actually. So here how can I do 5 minus root 5? So root 5 minus 1, and here 3 minus root 5. So this is how we can do. Again, look at this here. A is equal to, here A plus B into A minus B. So 9 minus 5. Again, here what I got here? Again, they multiply these two. 5 root 5 minus 5 root 5 plus root 5. So this will get cancelled here. So again 3 minus root 5. This is how we can proceed actually.
Sir,
this is how.
Minus 5 and plus minus root 5 and plus root 5 can also be cancelled.
Where do we have that? Here, how can you cancel that?
See, sir, minus 5 is written and.
So this is what you get, Toshnika. So if you do like this is how we must solve.
Sir, I'm not Toshnika.
I'm Kaji. Because you have 4 into. Again you multiply here 3 root 5 minus 5 minus 15 plus 5 root 5. Is that clear? So again look at this here 4 into 8 root 5 minus 15. So if you calculate again 32 root 5 minus 60. This is what you look at. If you have in roots, your answer will become, you will definitely get same answer. If you have roots, mostly you won't be having in roots actually. If you have in roots, your calculation will become so big. You understand, Toshnika?
Yes, sir, I understand.
So your answer will be same. Pakka, that is pakka. But I just told you, I just explained you how the calculation can be done. It is in calculation. It is like it is in roots. So if you keep solving that, you'll be getting you'll be simplifying it. You'll be keep simplifying it. But you will be like yeah, I'm sure like it is a it's a root value, right? There will not be root values. They'll give definitely some simple numericals only. Like simple numerical means some simple values, which is not in root, which is they'll be giving rational numbers only. They won't give like irrational numbers. So it's a irrational number. Now if I take irrational number, my calculation becomes such a big. All right, so definitely. Sorry. Next, so 8th one is this one. 9th one, look at the 9th one. 9th one is such a beautiful question. How many have we done this?
Sami Piyush, I done it.
Shami Aditya.
Sami Shreya.
Sir, are you speaking?
Tell me how many have you done 9th one? 9th one is a beautiful and very good question.
Sami Shreya.
Sami Piyush.
How did you do, Shreya?
Sir, by using Heron's formula, sir. First I took S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. I got 12, sir. Afterwards, I I did with Aaron's formula, root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So afterwards, I got the answer. No, sir, I calculated with into 9, so I got the answer. Answer will be rupees 2.16.
Yeah, we can simply use half into base into height because it's a Pythagorean triplet.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, that is
Yes,
also
sir.
correct. That is also correct.
Excuse me, sir. So can you
Yes,
hear
tell
me?
me. Yes.
Sir, like, can I post the quiz link at 6:25 because Bhargav
Yes.
is not
Yes,
there.
1 second, 1 second. This guys, look at this here. So area we found. So for finding area, like for 1 cent. So our area is what? 24 centimeters square. What he has given for one area. Look at this here, right? 9
9
paisa
pies
per
means
centimeter square.
0.09.
So 0.09 into 24.
So 20.
2.16.
2.16. Yes, sir.
Guys, after this, like all questions were very easy.
Yes,
And,
sir. About
yes.
congruency only.
Guys, look at this. Any difficulties after this? If you don't
No,
have
sir.
any doubts, we can go for the quiz. If you have any doubts you want me to teach, I'll teach.
Sir, I have to leave now.
Sorry?
I have to leave the class.
You have to leave.
Yeah, we're done. I have another class.
Who's this?
Parth.
Okay, Parth, you can just leave the class, no problem.
Bye.
You don't have any doubts, right?
No, sir.
Good, very good. Tell me. So 10th one is very simple. You can just find it out. And guys, how many have you done 11th one? How many have you done with 11th one?
Me, Piyush.
Me, sir.
Me, sir.
Very good. Any doubts in that 11th one? Guys,
Yes,
you just ask me.
Can you tell anything, right? Like a triangle ABC tangent to triangle PQR. Does the order matters? Like in this
Order matters. Order matters, भाई. Order matters है. अगर order नहीं matter करेगा तो कैसा करेगा? नहीं लिखेंगे हम ऐसा. तो order नहीं matter करेगा तो सब options correct होगा ना फिर? काव्या.
Yes, sir.
Order matter करेगा. अगर order matter नहीं करेगा तो option सब correct होगा. सभी option right होगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा. देख लीजिए. 12th one. How many have you done? 12th one is a pretty simple actually.
Yes, sir. 50 degrees.
13th one. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
14th one. Any doubt? Guys, anyone of you
No,
having
sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
15th one.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
These
No
are
doubt,
points. Yes.
Sir, I had a doubt in the last one, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Above one. Yes, sir. So since it bisects it, then shouldn't they both be equal?
Sorry?
So D is a point on the side BC, right? Then, sir, if it's bisecting the angle, then shouldn't it be like BD equal to CD?
Yeah.
But sir, it's given, okay. But sir, it's given greater, right?
BA greater than BD. BA greater than BD.
Yes,
Not-
sir. Then BD equal to CD is also options, right, sir? So I click that option, but it's showing wrong. That's why I'm saying.
Sorry, which one?
BD equal to CD is there, right, sir?
So 1 second. Triangle AAD, angle ADB is exterior angle of triangle ADC given. D is the exterior angle of ADC triangle. Okay. ADB written as DAC plus ACD.
So what I mean is like, according to that property, if you have one angle which is greater than the other, then the opposite side is greater than the other side. Then so similarly, if angle BAD and angle CAD are equal, then the BD and CD are also equal, right, sir?
That is not equilateral triangle. 1 second. D is the midpoint of BC here. Midpoint of BC. Then BD with midpoint means like, BD is equal to CD only. Pakka. Midpoint means.
No, sir. Yeah, BD equal to CD, right, sir?
Ah.
Then, sir, like, shouldn't
AD is
both A and B be
bisecting
correct?
angle BAC. Angle BAC. He's talking about angle BAC. BAC. He's talking about angle A. Angle A. Piyush.
Yes, sir. That's what I said. Like if it is bisecting, AD is bisecting angle A, right? Then angle BAD equal to angle CAD, right?
BAD is equal to angle CAD. Yeah.
Then, sir, like if we take the converse of the theorem, like there's a theorem, right, sir? Like if one angle is greater than the other angle, then the opposite side of the greater angle is greater than the opposite side of the other angle.
Piyush, your voice is bit cracking. Can you please talk loudly?
Yes, I'm talking really loudly actually. So like there's a theorem, right? If the angle, if there's two angles, and one angle is greater than the other angle, in a triangle, then the other angle, like the greater angle's opposite side, is greater than the lesser angle's opposite side, right?
Yeah, you are
And
right.
so, like if they both are equal, then the opposite sides are also equal, right? Then BD equal to CD, right? That's what I want to say.
So you mean like BA is greater than CD, so BD is equal to CD. Option A is also correct, you are saying?
Yes, sir. No, since BAD and CAD are equal, BD equal to CD. That's what I want to say, sir.
See here, 1 second. If you go, look at this here, 1 second. Why? Where is that? I'm unable to go back. 1 second. Hello. Who is that? Unmute, please.
So otherwise, like we can do it another way. We can prove that triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD.
We can prove that. We can prove by using that. We can do that.
Yes, sir. Then, sir, like in both the cases, BD equal to CD, right, sir?
Yes. 1 second. Let me write here. If you like, what is the question here? Can you see writing? I'm writing something here. Yes, here. Oh, this is what happening here.
The line is going teda.
Okay, this is what is given. AD is like, it's a kind of angular bisector. I mean, like, it's a midpoint of BC. So here, so A is meeting at D.
Sir, can't we take AD as common?
So here, look at this angle BAD. This is what happens. Angle BAD is equal to AD, Piyush. Right answer.
Yes, sir.
So now,
angle BAD and CAD are equal.
Now, if I just take two triangles, look at this. Yes, you are right. That is also right. I take two triangles, this green color and red color triangle. Look at this properly. In the first triangle, what is angle ADC? If I talk about red color triangle, ADC. What is this? ADC. D is what here? What is D here? Perpendicular.
Yes, sir. Perpendicular.
Like 90 degrees, isn't it? Now, as per that, so one thing we know that exterior angle, whenever you take external angle or exterior angle of any triangle, of a triangle, is always greater than, one property will be having, angle will be always greater than internal opposite angles.
It's equal, right?
It's equal to, right? Sum of.
No. Internal opposite angles of same triangle, not equal. External angle is, look, what is the external angle here? ADC. Look at this. Look at this now. If I talk about ADC here, Here, what is my interior angles? So in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, if I talk about angle ADC, here external angle of any triangle will be always greater than internal opposite angles of a same triangle. If you take this case, then Piyush, your point will be wrong.
No, sir, I'm not talking about ADB and ADC, sir.
One second. Understood your point. If you understood your point, look at this here. So now if I write like this, such what will happen here? Now angle, I could write angle. Yeah, now if I talk about green color triangle, so angle ADB is equal to what? Sum of DAC plus angle DAC. Look at this here.
Yes, sir.
DAC. Sum of this one plus DCA or angle DAC. DCA. Is that clear? So now look at this angle BAD plus angle DCA, BAD, DCA, AC. This one and this one. So why we are writing like this? Tell me. Why we are writing like this? Tell me. From this, why I am writing here? Why? Because angle DAC here. DAC is equal to angle BAD. Is that clear? DAC is equal to BAD. Why? Because that is what we know here. Look at this here. CAD or DAC, both are correct only. So now if I say in this case, guys, if I observe this clearly.
So like, can you scroll it up a bit? I'm not able to understand.
See, look at this here. Look at Piyush. You are saying that, one second. You are saying that where is that has been gone? BD is equal to CD, right? Your option is going to be true whenever it is an equilateral and isosceles triangle only, but not for this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When the triangle is equilateral, so you mean like given triangle is isosceles triangle, so that is why. Oh, it is isosceles only, right?
Sir, the thing is like, no, sir. Yeah, but in the question it's not given. Like, what I mean to say is angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, right, sir?
Of course, right answer.
Then, sir, the opposite angle of BAD, which is BD.
Opposite angle of BAD, yes.
Yes. Sir, the opposite side, sir. Opposite side.
Yeah, BD only.
Then the opposite side of BD is equal to opposite side of CD, right? Because both of the angles are equal.
Yeah. So opposite side to angle A is BD and opposite side to angle AD is DC. So both are correct. Yeah.
CAD is equal to CD. Yes, sir. Opposite angle to CAD is equal to CD. Then, sir, shouldn't BD and CD be equal? That's my question.
Shouldn't BD and CD? Yes, that should also be correct. Yeah. Why? Because this is that is for of course that is it is true for equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. So the given triangle itself, isosceles triangle, but he did not mention anything, right? Isn't it? He did not mention anything in the question. If he mentioned direct, isosceles and equilateral triangle, then would have clicked directly option A.
Yeah, I'll write it and send it. I'll send it in the WhatsApp, sir.
No problem. Send it out. So this is a question. For this is a true, yes, but I completely consent with your point, Piyush. So that is such a valid point only. So nothing wrong in your point actually. But option C is not possible. Of course, D is not possible. BA is greater than DA. BD here. BA is greater than BD. Yeah, that is Pakka. But BD is greater than BA. BD is greater than...
No, sir. I am talking about BD and CD. BD,
yeah, BD and CD. Option A. Yeah, option A only you are talking about. That is what I am telling you. Whenever he is mentioning equilateral and isosceles triangle, then only it is going to be true actually. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Piyush, you can send me in WhatsApp. And guys, if you have any doubts, you can send me your doubts in the WhatsApp actually. So yes, now look at this here. Let me stop here self. So if you have any doubts in the remaining 5 questions, guys, please go through those 5 questions. If you have any doubts in next class, next class will be doubt session only. So please be ready with your doubt session, then we can clear it out.
Sir, can you declare the paper so that we can see the questions?
Questions? You can
in
just
topper, sir.
Question is already there, right?
It is there, man. Already you can just have a look at that.
No, sir. It is saying that it's old, sir. Declare.
Yes,
It is
sir,
not.
because of old,
It is not declared, sir.
I told to Rahul sir also, sir. He told anyway, sir will post results today or tomorrow, right? Why again? He told.
So what do you want me to do? Tell me now. Aditya, I didn't. What you want me to post the question paper again?
No, sir. Just I want to see the questions, sir. That's it.
You want to see the questions?
Yes, sir. Because I want to find out my mistakes.
Yeah, definitely. No problem. See here.
Even I did not see my mistakes.
Yeah, definitely. Look at this here. And I'll talk to Rahul sir. And you also told that you also say Rahul sir that you also asked Rahul sir that Masar asked you to post the questions of the question paper.
Okay,
so
sir.
that he will post you the question paper. No problem.
Sir, can I say something?
I'll ask Rahul sir to do that.
Sir,
Yes,
in
Kaji.
topper, we are after the time is completed, then also we can write the paper. But now I'm finding it is not there.
No, man. Yesterday 10 o'clock only paper has been expired. You cannot attempt the test now.
But sir, this is not happening in any other test.
It won't happen in any other test. I have limited the time, right? You must write the time, test on time. That's why I told you. Are you not looking at the group messages? In a group, I just clearly told that at 5 o'clock, before 5 o'clock, you must finish the test. So your deadline is till 10 o'clock. Till 10 o'clock only you can attempt the test. Till 10 p.m. So from next exam onwards, you make sure that you are attempting your test before 10 p.m. And guys, I'm sorry, actually, we couldn't conduct the quiz today. So Harini will conduct your quiz in the next class. No problem. Okay.
Yes, sir. But on Wednesday, shall we have quiz at the starting, sir? Because I have.
Okay, sure. I understand. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yes.
So I have
Thank
class
you.
for your seniors now. Thank you, children. Bye bye.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Sorry.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.